Hello YouTubers, this is Vaibhav here welcoming you to my very first video on this channel. So as you know, this morning must have been very bad for you. You might have got the notification. You might have got the notification from YouTube saying that your account just got blocked and you will no longer be able to access that account. So this is very bad news, right? But don't worry, I have a solution for you. I'm sure 99% of the people watching this video will get their account back, just like I got it. And there are no such community guidelines or such violations which YouTube claims that you have violated. They don't even check it, I'm telling you. They don't even see it. They just block it. I don't know what kind of algorithm they have. But anyway, you want your account back, right? So I will tell you how to get your account back, how you have to contact YouTube, how you have to mail them, how you have to fill the form, and how you have to send the message, what type of message you have to send to them. All the steps are going to be shown in this video, and if you follow them, you will get your account back in 10 to 20 days, right? So let's go and see how to get back your account. Now, to begin with, I would like to tell or show you the mail which I got from YouTube and Google that day. So these are the two mails which I got that day. First, I got the mail from Google saying some action is required and my Google has been suspended. Google account has been suspended. Then the second mail which I got was from YouTube saying that I violated and my YouTube account has been suspended. I was shocked like you, and I was thinking what kind of rules I violated. They have not given me some community strikes. They have not warned me. They directly blocked my account with no reason. Then I went on YouTube and on some other websites for finding the solutions, just like you are here. Then what I did was this, which I'm going to show you now. Go to your browser, put in account termination, open the first link. Once you open the first link, you will see there are two types of things which you can do. If your account has been suspended due to community guideline termination, which most of the peoples are getting the same problem nowadays, and then you have to fill this form. And if your account has been suspended due to 3 strikes which you got on YouTube, then you have to file a counter notification like this. In this video I will be covering only the community guideline termination part. So as your account is blocked, you have to fill this form. Click on the form button and you have to fill this form. You have to type your name, you have to type the email ID you use to sign in on YouTube channel, and you also have to provide the email ID which you have access to. If the account, if you don't have access to the email ID which you use to sign on YouTube, then you have to provide the email ID which you have access to, so that you will get the message from YouTube about your appeal. Okay, so in my case I was having access, my YouTube channel was blocked but my email ID was not. I was still able to access my email ID which I used to use for using YouTube as well as for my regular stuffs. Okay, so you have to just copy paste this email ID. If you don't have access to this email ID,
then you have to use alternate one. Just copy paste it. Now this is the most interesting part over here, that your account has been blocked and you don't, how you will get the URL, right? If your account is blocked, there is no way that you can get the URL, right? But there is one or more thing I can tell you. There is no need of URL, but still if you are feeling uncomfortable and you want to provide URL, there are one or two ways I can show you. From that you can get your email ID. First thing is, if you have more than one channel in your account, as that happened in my case, and you are not able to access only one channel, but you have access to other channels, and you have from that channel, if you are subscribed to the channel which is got blocked, then you have to go to that channel which you have access, and you have to search for the subscription page where you are subscribed to the suspended account. For example, if I can show you, so this is the channel. Okay, so this is the channels which I have on my one email ID: Vaibhav Patil, Android Tech, Critical Minds, and Born Hungry. Okay, so from this my Vaibhav Patil account was suspended, but still I had access to the other three channels. So what I did was, and fortunately I have subscribed to this Vaibhav Patil channel from the Androtech Geek channel. So what I did was, I went to this Androtech Geek channel. I searched for this, search for my subscriptions which I have subscribed to, and this is the account which was got blocked. It was showing there. So what I did was just clicked on this and copied the link. Then I returned to this form and I pasted it. This is the one way of getting your channel URL. Other way is like, if you know any subscribers, or if your any family member have subscribed or friends have subscribed to your channel, then just tell them to send you the link which they have subscribed to your channel account link to you. That is the one way. Second way, other than that I don't know, you have to search for it. But believe me, you don't need any channel URL. You just have to fill the form with correct email ID. They will get to know your status of the account. So don't worry about channel URL. And now the fourth part is like, you have to explain them your sad story to them, what you believe, how your account got blocked, how you want them to reinstate your account. So write any emotional or any technical message to them. It will be fine, like, hi YouTube, So you have to write an emotional message. I will post that message which I send it to the YouTube. You can copy paste that message with some changes and you can send it to the YouTube channel. Okay, so and then you have to submit it, right? You just have to submit it, and after 10 days or so they will reply to you. In my case, what happened was that I messaged them. I filled this appeal form, and then they replied me after 10 days. Okay, I will show you what they replied. See, now it was 16th Feb. I filled that form, and after 10 days I got this message. Wait, some problem over here. So after 10 days they have sent me this sad message again, that thank you for your account suspension appeal, we have decided to keep your account suspended. Then I thought my chances are getting very low now. I have to create some new channel from another email ID or so. But I did not lose the hope. I kept messaging them again and again. I kept messaging them, like I filled this form every day till they did not restarted my account. So after 2 days I got the reply again from YouTube. I got this wonderful message from them. On 28th Feb I got this message. Hello, we have reviewed your account and have concluded that it is not in violation of our terms of service. Therefore, we have unsuspended your account. This means your account is once again active and operational and in good standing. That means they have unsuspended my account again. That means I can access my account again and enjoy YouTube. So this is how they do. You are getting it. You don't have to lose hope. There is some algorithm problem over YouTube, and they are making everyone worry about this. So if your account is suspended, don't worry, it will get back. Believe me, it will get back. Just have some faith and keep sending them messages, keep sending them appeal form again and again, and they will reply you, and you will get your account back in 1 month or less. So if you this is the very effective way to contact YouTube. But still, if you think, if you still impatience, if you still want to contact YouTube other ways, I can show you another method as well. So another method is like, you have to use anyone's YouTube account, your family, friends, siblings, anyone's YouTube account. Like I did of my sisters, I use my sister's account and message to the YouTube. How you have to do it, I will tell you. Open your browser, go to youtube.com, Okay, take anyone's account, doesn't matter whose account it is, just use anyone's YouTube account, right? Then click on this upper right corner three dots, click on this help button, click on this contact support, click on this contact creator support, click on this policy and community guidelines, click on this email. Then you have to fill this form again. You have to fill your name, your surname, your email address, and you have to give your channel URL. Okay, how can we help you? You have to use the same message which you use for the filling this appealing form. The same message you have to paste it here. Is your issue about a specific video, then you have to choose no. And if you want to attach the email ID, if you don't have channel URL, you can take the photo screenshot of that email ID which you got of account suspension and paste it here. Then you have to submit it, and after this they will reply you very soon. They will reply you more faster than the appeal form which you failed. Okay, so I will show you what they replied to me. I use my sister's email ID. I given my sister's email ID as well there, because I was using the email ID of account of my sister, right? So they message me on her email ID, and I got this email. Hi, and thanks for contacting the YouTube creator support. We will work to help resolve your issue as quickly as possible. Help us to get start by replying to this email. You don't have to reply to them, or if you still are impatient, then you can reply your channel URL. They will reply you again. I got the email ID again from them, that your YouTube account is not suspended for copyright infringement. Due to repeated or severe violation of your community guideline, your account has been suspended. After review, you have determined that activity in your account violated for your community. So this is the way you can message them. This way did not work for me, because they were saying that my account is violating. So don't try this first. First try the first one which I showed you of appealing the form. That works 100%, and I am sure about it. Okay, so if you have any problem or if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. I will be helping you throughout your struggle days. Thanks for watching.